How to put the film inside the film camera. The one that I've got here is Olympus Mo 2. How to put the film inside. So first thing you do, just open the back by pushing this little thing to the up, and then obviously you get the film out of the box. There is and once you get the film out, all you need to do is just put the film inside. It's like this, and just bring it a little bit, only just, you know, just a little bit touches the wall, just that's enough. So not too much, not too little, just as long as, you know, it goes to that the colored section is good. And then what you do, you're just gonna close the camera and it's gonna do the job. You just wait for it, and once you turn the camera on, it shows 1. So it shows 1, which means like everything it's working perfectly. If it shows E, don't panic, just open it again and then redo it. Probably if it shows E, it means that you need to just bring the film out a little bit more and then redo it, and you get this one. Thank you.